The Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 are an excellent choice for runners, especially long-distance and trail runners. While they won't last an entire ultra-marathon, they're among the best running headphones available. Like the best open earbuds, these allow you to hear your surroundings far better than even the best transparency modes on wireless earbuds. They're lightweight, stable, and have a long battery life. Shokz has also introduced air conduction technology to enhance sound quality, an area where bone conduction headphones typically fall short. The OpenRun Pro 2 follows the standard bone conduction design. The drivers sit in the front of the ears, connected via an over-the-ear loop and a wraparound headband, all coated in silicone for some waterproofing. However, its IP55 rating is lower than the IP67 rated OpenRun. A standout feature is the option to choose between standard and mini headband sizes, whereas most competitors offer a one-size-fits-all approach. While the fit is stable, some may experience light movement of shaking their head. The controls are split. Power, pairing, and volume buttons sit under the right side, while the song change button is on the left driver. There's a single USB-C port, which may explain the lower IP rating, but allows for fast charging. Just 5 minutes plugged in provides 2.5 hours of playtime. A full charge takes an hour and offers 12 hours of use. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection, but there's no onboard storage or MP3 player. If that's a priority, check out waterproof headphones with built-in MP3 storage. Being an open-ear design, there's no active or passive noise cancellation. Sound adjustments come via EQ settings, either through the app or by holding the volume buttons. 6 preset EQ modes include standard, vocal, bass boost, treble boost, classic, and volume boost. Classic mode turns off air conduction, reintroducing the vibrating sensation common in bone conduction headphones at higher volumes. The audio quality has improved significantly thanks to Shokz 10th Gen bone conduction tech and the added air conduction. These are essentially hybrid headphones, enhancing sound clarity while reducing discomfort. Across genres like indie, metal, hip-hop, and folk, these headphones deliver an enjoyable experience. The highs are clear but slightly muted, mids are full-bodied, and bass is a bit subdued. This results in a slightly boxy sound, but still impressive for the form factor. Being open ear, some sound leakage occurs, though it's minimal and only noticeable in quiet environments. For calls, voice clarity is good, though the speaker may sound a bit distant. At $179.95, these are pricier than Shokz $129.95 OpenRun, but cheaper than some specialized options like the $199.99 H2O Audio Tri2 Pro Multisport, which includes MP3 storage for water sports. The Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 are a solid investment, blending air conduction and bone conduction for superior audio and comfort. While not the best value in terms of price, they're a great pick for runners looking for an open-ear, high-quality sound experience.